10 minutes of mood boosting, energy elevating movement. Are you ready? Me too. Let's wake up our bodies. Just start with a step chest opener, but let's already really squeeze the hands. Let's develop that grip strength as we warm up. Feel it in the upper back, the shoulders. We're heating things up, but we're building tremendous strength right away. Head up high. Feel that. The shoulders. Squeeze the hands together. Building strength in the biceps already. Look at how much stronger we are. Bring a real mind-body connection if we breathe into each exercise. Ooh, already there. Step, jack. You modify, you do this the best that you can. Can you get really deep into it? Maybe it's just the most simple of movements to get you warmed up and feeling right. Maybe we can really twist into it. My back is feeling amazing. Oh, so I want to move deeply. Oh, yes. All right, all right, all right. Are you warm? Just circle the arms. Balls of the feet. Backwards with the arms. Oh, yeah. Side to side. How low can you go? Can we touch the toes, the shins, the knees, wherever you're at? It's beautiful. Comparison really is the thief of joy. Just accept where you're at. Find a nice flow with this one and just enjoy the movement. The joy of movement. Nowhere to get to. Just appreciating and taking care of these precious bodies. Maybe I go a little bit lower. Oh, nice stretch in the inner thigh. Waking up the back. Okay. Ooh. Gonna go back and forth. Gonna open the chest and close. I'm going for a balance maneuver. Maybe you just want to step. Let's bend that back and then arch. This tap is beautiful. You can look up. We can also, maybe every once or so, we keep the leg off the ground. Building incredible strength in the opposite leg. Core stability. Whoa. Balance and some laughter as we just find joy in movement. I'm a bit of a silhouette today. I think that's kind of nice. You don't have to see my face. You can enjoy this beautiful fountain together as we switch to the other side. Ooh, feel that in the hip? Me also. So maybe you just start like this. The joy of movement. I tried to practice what I preach yesterday. And I don't say this to be braggadocious, but I ended up going for a 50-kilometer bike ride. And I wasn't in a race, I didn't check the clock, I just enjoyed moving. And I say that because I've never felt so good. My back didn't hurt. I felt great when I finished. I felt great when I woke up this morning. And I really think we're onto something with these light, low impact movements each day. It really is working. All the studying of exercise, physiology, and movement that I do. Light, low impact every day. And then it can lead to bigger things if we choose. Whoa. Building balance so we don't slip and fall or look foolish on camera. All right. Oof. Okay. Front lunge, bicep curl, then step back, tricep push back. So, and squeeze, and then all the way back. Building incredible strength in the entirety of our body right here. If I would go for a long bike ride or run in the past, put my head down, how fast can I get there? And I'd be sore and in pain. And not to say there's times to go fast, absolutely. But I'm like, let's see what it's like to just enjoy the entirety of moving. And it was an exceptional adventure I went on yesterday. And I'm so grateful to you for showing up every day and helping me to continue to find the joy in movement. Let's switch to the other leg. There, that's the fist I'm looking for. I talk too much, I forget what we're doing. That's the endorphins. As you know, I get a little chatty. Yes. Building strength here. Feel that. Your biceps, squeeze and reach back. Feel it in the triceps, reach all the way back. Couple more. Yes. Let's just hold there. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Flex your biceps. Really grip. Oh, we are so strong. Slow it down, but reach all the way back as far as you can. Hopefully the back is nice and loose now. Oh, yes. And just go. Just enjoy the movement. Breathe. Whoa. Balance there too. I'm on. Find uneven ground from time to time. We want that undulating terrain. Use different stabilizer muscles. Increase our core stability and balance just from walking on uneven surfaces. Okay. Hallelujah. Arms are coming up into a clapjack, but I'd like to bend back. When you come up. And again, this can look very different for each of us. Maybe it's just like this. Beautiful. You just do you. Just be you. You are perfect. Sincerely. But if you can get the leg up a little higher and bend back. Head can be up nice and high. You can look to the sky too. Couple more. Okay. Oh, let's just shake that out a bit. Let's walk. Bit of a power walk. Really swing the arms. Head up high. Let's not forget the power, the superpower that we possess in walking. But let's do a little bit of pace. Let's get the heart rate up. Let's leave this session nice and warm, ready to take on the day. Find more ways to move. You talk about being in the garden. Oh, what an incredible workout gardening is. Bending, pulling, stretching, all of it, incredible. Just find that movement that brings you joy. Get outside and do it even better. Pick those knees up just a little higher, come on. Come on, come on. Head up. I think I can, I think I can. The little engine who could. The story that keeps on giving. Oh, well done. Let's go to the very first exercise. Sometimes it is nice to just see where we're at. Hey, how did that session actually make me feel? Do I feel looser? My body ready to go? But let's use this as our moment of mindfulness. Connect to your breath, as we should do through the entire session, but sometimes Drew talks too much and he distracts me. I'll be all right. So just breathe and just notice how you feel. Notice any self-deprecating thoughts. Watch the toxic mind. That's not who you are. You can replace it with a positive one. I am enough. I am strong. Today is going to be a great day, regardless of what happens outside of me. It's your day. Don't let anybody or anything ruin it. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. Let's take a deep appreciation for these bodies and this beautiful day in front of us. Okay, enough talking, Drew. Let me move on with my day. All right, you can now. Thank you for being here. The deepest of gratitude. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for the beautiful comments that keep coming in. Let's inspire each other, grow this incredible community so that we can just move every day with ease and strength and live to 110 healthy. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.